Nwoke na-amarọ Chukwu, ihere emegbuo gị, oyiya o. Nwaanyị na-amarọ Chukwu, ihere emegbuo gị, oyiya o. Ahoo, ah, ahoo, ah, ahoo, ah. Ikpumkpu, 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 cover, cover, Osaka, 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 cover, Osaka, Osaka, empty, empty entities, empty entities that claim they are right, they are energy, but false energy that always claim they are right. And this energy is moving around, possessing people. Example of Osaka, or somebody possessed by Osaka empty entities that claim they are right. Lack of interest in the real world, in life, lack of interest. They are example of Osaka. And some people already praying for death to come and take them because they believe the world is no home. The world is vanity upon vanities. All they care, all they pray, all they preach, telling everybody, life, world are vanity upon vanities. No more interest in real life. Being knocked out of reality world. They are example of Osaka, empty entities, possession. All you care, death to come and take them. They are example of Osaka entities. Against the world, rising up against the world, and think in their group, and think they have the power to wipe out humanity, wipe out everybody. Because their book told them others are unbelievers. It's time to wipe them off from the face of the earth. They are possessed by Osaka empty entities that claim they are right, filled with dehydrated. They are all Osaka, refusing to help humanity. And you see some people, they apologize for something they did now. They just apologize for the wrong they did. And everybody accept them and say, okay, we are forgiving you. We are forgiving you guys. Then in next hour, you see them going back to same thing they just apologized. You see some people, all they have been taking care of, both medication, injection, food, all the resources to bring them back to the real world. They accept they will never go back to their evil ways. When you free them, next thing, they go back to same thing, they just apologize. and make it more higher now and worse from all they have been treated. All they care now is to destroy everybody. They are possessed by Osaka, empty entities that claim they are right, dehydrated. Huh? They are all Osaka entities. Possession. To destroy Osaka entities, the energies, empty entities, their base, and where they might struggle to rise again. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colas, Otinku chicken, 4 he goats, male dog, nketa, male dogs, obago, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all Osaka empty entities upside down that claim they are right. Destroy the foundation in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to block all Osaka empty entities that claim they are right, where they might struggle to rise again now and in the future generation. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colas, Ebo ngene green blocking. Chukwu and the note here was all colors blocking. Uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, and block them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And Osaka empty entities already possessed in people, in their mind, in their head, in their soul, in their spirit, in their innermost self, already possessed. I use to cast them out. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, Ebo, 33 bitter colas, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange sugar, pepper soup. Cast all Osaka empty entities in all bodies, in mind, in soul, in head, in the innermost self. Cast them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to block, to cover, Ikpumkpu, to cover all Osaka empty entities, the energy. I use oke and adidi chicken, obolocha and oboloji, white and black chicks, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, Ibu nkata aja basket rituals. Capture all Osaka empty entities, the energies, bring them down. Use trash bags. Use black trash bags and black blankets. Cover all of them. Blind, tie, chain, block, bury, and cover all of them. All be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayers skyrocket the sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbits. Stand up in all land, all ocean, all airspace. Transfer to all families, generations, ancestries, to all countries, to all hospitals, dental, psychiatric hospitals, all recuperative. Transfer to Serenity, recuperative care. Transfer to them. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, border patrols, custom. All transfer to all for free. Immigration. Transfer to all legislation, executive and judicial. Transfer to all for free. Transfer into all religion. Transfer to all churches, Hinduism, Buddhism. Transfer to Catholicism, Catholic Church, transfer to Pope Francis, transfer to Peter's seat, St. Peter's Basilica, transfer to all for free. So might be. Say, we use water, buy eggs, drinks, wine, all that goes into the body that are good. To welcome these prayers, their power, authorities, manifestation, moving forward, and peace. Peace to ourselves and peace to others. And joining, helping humanity. And be fruitful and productive in this world. And moving the world forward into our body foundation, science and technologies. So Maribi, he say, it's me, Sanko and Chiefpriest. Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest what? Chiefpriest USA. USA.